Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301863, and this is a 2023 Ford Escape. Our color is silver. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors, locks, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our hatch release, interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready. Got our electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats, heated steering wheel feature, USB charging ports, a dial shifter, parking brake. Got our eco mode, auto start stop, and our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, a couple USB charging ports for our rear passengers, and a 60/40 backing for you just in case you need some more room. Moving on to our exterior, we've got a roof rack, 18-inch Ford rims, got a rear view camera, remote hatch, a lot of cargo space, and there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301863. You've just checked out the silver 2023 Ford Escape. Thanks for watching.